What do the following products have in common? Please focus on the word choice of the products. Restart the video once you have your answer. All of these products claim to improve a person's health. The first product claims to support their child's immunity. The second product claims to have natural germ killers. And the third product claims to help nourish your brain. Remember that a claim is the main goal or argument of a product or a piece of writing. Identifying the author's claim can make you a great test taker. Our learning target for today is effective test takers use strategies to identify the author's claim, especially in multiple sources. Typically, an author's claim question is going to look like this. You will first see the directions, then you will see a source with information, another source with more information, and then finally you'll see your command. Decide if the information in source 1, source 2, both sources, or neither sources support the claim. Then you'll be given a graph. In this graph, you'll have your 4 claims, and then you'll have to determine which claim supports which source. So here are the steps that you'd want to follow when answering an author's claim question. Please write this down in your notebook. The first thing is to find the question/command. The second thing is to read the claims, then to underline keywords in the claims, and then consider synonyms for the important words. Then what you will do is read or skim the passages for important words as well as synonyms. Please write this down and restart the video once you have done that. Let's practice doing this question together. So according to the first step, the first thing that you want to do is you want to find your command. So here is your command. The student wrote down some claims to use in her report. Look at the tables on the claim, or look at the claims on the table. Decide if the information in source 1, source 2, both sources, or neither source support the claim. The next thing that you want to do is go through and read your claims. Also, identify important words as you read. Claim 1 says towns should build bike trails. Your important words here would be towns should build bike trails. Claim 2 would be towns should solve pollution problems. Your important words here, towns should solve pollution problems. Your third claim, towns should provide opportunities in arts. Your important words here would be towns should provide opportunities in the arts. Claim 4, towns should provide activities and equipment for children. Towns should, activities and equipment for children. According to your next step, what you want to do then is determine synonyms for any words that you see. So the word town, a synonym for the word town would be city. Then I'm going to move on to bike trails. So you might see path instead of trails. Claim 2, pollution problems. So for pollution, I might see gas. For problems, I might see issues. Towns should provide opportunities in the arts. Opportunities, I might see the word activities. For arts, I might see music, knowing that music is also a part of art, maybe performance as well. And then claim 4, activities and equipments. So maybe I'm looking for the word games here. And then for children, I might be looking for the words kids or young. So now that I have my important words and synonyms figured out for the claims, what I now want to do is skim through the sources to try to determine where I see any of these words being repeated. So let's first start with the first claim. I'm looking for anything that has to do with cities or towns and bike and paths or trails. So when I skim through source 1, I'm looking for the word bike. Okay, I see trails. Oh, and here's the word bike. So I know claim 1 is definitely in source 1. I'm now going to go to source 2 to see if I see anything to do with trails or bikes. I don't see anything in here, so that means that claim 1 is only represented in source 1, so I'm going to mark that part of the box. I'm now going to go to claim 2. I'm looking for something to do with pollution, problems, or pollution issues. I'm going to skim through source 1 looking for those words. And I don't see anything related to pollution in source 1. So I'll now go to source 2 and skim through that. Again, I'm looking for the word pollution or gas. I don't see anything here, so I'm going to mark neither source. This claim 2 is not represented in source 1 or source 2. I'm now going to go to claim 3. I'm looking for something with opportunities, activities, arts, music, performance. I'm going to skim through source 1 for those words. I don't see anything here. I'm now going to skim through source 2, something to do with music or art. Okay, I see art here, and then I see drama and music. So claim 3 is represented in source 2. I'm now going to look in claim 4 for their important words. Here I see games, activities, children, kids, and young. So now I'm going to go up to source 1 looking for any of those words. Here I see young people, skateboard park, so I know that represents children or the activities. Now I'm going to go to source 2, looking for the word kid, children. Okay, here's the word children. I see some things that they could do. Also, I see the word children again. So claim 4 is represented in both sources, so I would mark that box on the graph. What you are now going to do is you're going to do some station practice. You'll now complete 2 stations on determining author's claim in multiple sources. You can now begin those stations.